Like, oh my god, it all relies on this. Like, I'm just like focusing on the level, but I don't know what happens. I can't tell if it was nerves or bad luck when I died at 87 twice. I asked Zoink for advice on nerves, and all he said was, that's it. That's what he said. And then he sent some weird meme. That's Zoink communication for you. He's the most impossible person to communicate with. Random? What? I just beat Black Blizzard by Kermal Crazy Man 50? Okay. Yo, I was like so close to I'm like, what? I don't even know. Yeah! I want to see. Oh, there's no end screen. She's black. Oh, okay, okay. We beat Black Blizzard. And I did not die to 97 or 98. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Oh my god. Henny and Eli, appreciate that donation. Nah, I didn't decorate buff out, so I'm not gonna play that yet, Henny and Eli. Oh my god. Zephyrus, thank you for the $2, bro. You were indeed here, my friend. That's like your third dono of the stream, bro. Oh, like, chat, we did it. W's in the chat. I want to see the GG Vortrox emoji, too. Oh my god. I haven't beat something this hard literally since last October when I beat Stereo Extremeness. Gatto with the donation. Yes, you were here. Absolutely. Did I miss anything else? Bouncy Block with the $2. Thank you, bro. Gatto with the 50 gifted memberships. Thank you. Alright, chat. Everybody's becoming members, I guess. Oh my god. Did I miss any other donos? Gatto, I saw you donated before.